guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a nail addict haul. They were kind enough to let me choose some colors. First one is Jacko Lantern, and obviously we are in fall, so I thought this would be the perfect color to swatch. And this one has a slight shimmer, so I wanted this one specifically for the shimmer because I don't have any shimmery oranges, nor do I have any bright oranges like this, and I really wanted to add that to the collection. And it's a super thin formula, which you guys know I like. And here is 2 coats of Jacko Lantern. I hope you guys can see that glitter. It's so pretty, it's so fine, and I absolutely love it. Next up is Cranberry Juice, and this looks like a brown to me, but in the cap, it looks like it might be a purpley brown, so I'm curious to see. It looked interesting on the web, so I wanted to see what it looked like. And that's exactly what this is. This is a little bit thicker of a formula than the other one. And this is Cranberry Juice. It's interesting because the bottle has a brown label, and this, I mean, it's brown, but it's not like the same color brown. It's actually real pretty. Next up is Purple Addict, and this is just a nice, I think this might be a little bit of a jelly color. Yeah, this is exactly, I have another color that has what I call like the perfect Halloween color. This is the same type of color that I feel like is perfect for Halloween. So that's why I went with this one and the orange one. And this is Purple Addict. And this is Electric Red. I'm really excited for this one. I think this is going to be a nice bright color. I think it's gonna be, yeah, it's gonna be pretty similar to the purple as far as kind of that super jelly, but this actually is a little bit more pigmented. And it smells sweet. That's the one thing I always notice about the gel polishes, is that they smell sweet. And this is Electric Red. On to some of the glitters. This is Sweet Sapphire, which I actually have a gel from, I guess it would be a buttercream from Light Elegance that is pretty similar to this, I think. It was one of their butter blings, and it was super concentrated. Same with this guy. There we go. All right, here it is. And this is also called Sapphire, but I mean, they pretty close. There might be a slight teal finish to the buttercream, but if I were to drop that in there, you would never know. So this is Sweet Sapphire. Next is Hollywood Midnight. Ooh, it might not be. It might just be a nice, I'm obsessed with this color. Look at the glitter. And this is Hollywood Midnight. Such a pretty color. All right, here are all the colors that I got. Again, I had some fall, I wanted a little bit brighter, and then I wanted some glitter in there. And I like that these are super fine glitter. So this is not gonna add bulk to your nail, especially if you do them on top, which I love that about these like fine glitters. They don't add bulk. So again, I do have a discount code. I will post it below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.